Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how you can run your PHP web pages on your machine by using a virtual server as a Wamp server. You can also use other servers to just test your PHP web pages before putting them onto your actual servers or the internet. Okay, so before running these pages over the actual servers, you can just test your PHP web pages by running it on the virtual server. We'll use a Wamp server because it's very easy to handle and it's very easy to for the new buyers to start. Okay, so the first step is to download the Wamp server. So we'll just go to the google.com. Alright, Wamp server. Just go to the official website of the Wamp server. Here we go. Go to the download section. Download the preferred setup which you think would be great for your machine. Like I'll download this one because I have a 32-bit machine. Okay. You can download it directly. Click over here. It'll redirect you to the another page. Your Wamp server download will start in 4 or 3 seconds. It'll automatically start. See, the download has been started. I won't download it because I'm already having it on my machine. Okay, so just cancel it. You have to download it and save it in a particular location, like I'm having it saved over here in my D directory in the softwares folder. Flash. There we go. So just run that, double click it, say yes. Just keep following the instruction and keep on pressing the next button and you'll have it installed on your machine. Okay, so once it is installed on your machine, all you needed to do is to start the Wamp server. Just write Wamp server over here. Here we go. Say yes. As you can see an icon over here, it's a red color icon which has changed to an orange color first and then to the green color. The red color, if the icon is red color, that means you aren't able to run the PHP web pages on your machine. If the icon is orange color, that means the installation has been successful, but there is some problem with the ports or something else. And if the color is green, that means you are free to go. You are free to run your PHP web pages on your machine. Okay, so green color means there is no problem. You can run your PHP web pages. Okay, so to just test that your machine supports PHP web pages running or not, just go to the web browser, open up a tab, right over here, localhost. See, I wrote localhost over here. I got a page which is showing me IIS 7. Now it should have shown instead this one page, right? So I'll tell you why it is so. Sometimes a problem occurs which most of the people face, that this problem is due to the fact that I have already an ASP web pages server installed on my machine, and that is the IIS 7 web server. Okay, so I can't use localhost to run my PHP web pages. So by default the port for using the PHP web page is 80. Okay, like this. I'll show you. Okay, so if I'll just write $80 over here, I get the same page. So by default the port for the localhost is 80. So I can't run PHP web pages until I change it to something else. So to change it to something else, I'll just click it over here, go to the Apache and go to the httpd configuration file, open it. You'll see a notepad over here. Now just press Ctrl F, right here 80. So wherever you find 80, just replace it with 8080, like I have already replaced it. Listen to 8080 port rather than 80 port. Okay, so wherever you'll find 80, just replace it with 8080. Okay, So once you're done, just save your file. Sometimes sometimes a problem can be faced while saving the file, as you don't have enough permissions to save the file. So just go to the file directory and right click on it and just modify the properties. Just deselect the read only button. See, it's in the Wamp. Then Apache 2.2 configuration, httpd. Go to the properties and go to the security tab. Next, to change the permissions, click edit. So I'll just edit the permissions. Users, I'll tick all this to allow the full control on the given file. Okay, apply, okay. So after doing this, I'll be able to modify the contents of this file. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to modify it. Okay. So I'll just save it. So next time you open your browser and you tend to run the PHP web server, just write localhost with a :8080 and hit enter, and there you go. You have got a Wamp server page. There is an index file which is located over here. Computer, your installation directory of the Wamp server. A Wamp folder has been created, as you can see over here, Wamp, and in the www, wherein all your PHP web pages are stored. So the page I have got is this one, this index.php. Okay, I can also refer to this page as index.php. See, it's the same page we have got. Okay, so that's all about running your PHP server. Now let's create a PHP web page. Go to the Notepad or a Dreamweaver or any other text editor tool you are good at. Just write PHP echo hello world. Save this file. Now you should be very careful while saving the file. It should be saved in the C directory or any other directory wherein your Wamp server is installed. Go to the Wamp folder and find the folder named www. Here you should save it. You can further save it in any other folder, like if I save it in croc, give it a name nightingale.php. As you all know that PHP web pages should be saved with an extension of .php. So just save it. So your PHP web page has been saved over here in www in the folder croc with the name nightingale.php. Okay, so just test it. Go to your web browser, right over here localhost 8080 /croc/ nightingale. As you can see, we are able to run the PHP web page. The PHP web page said to echo the given content. It was hello world, and we are able to run it successfully. Okay, so let's talk more about the Wamp server. We can also go to the MySQL web console over here directly. Just write the password and there you go. Use the database, do whatever you want to do.